Welcome to computer aided drafting class. Now on the screen you see a drawing. So we need to draw a 3D view of this one in the model space, and then we need to create a layout view in which we have to show all these three views: front view, top view and right side view. Okay. Now how to start it? You can start in any way you want. There are many different methods of doing it. Okay. So what I will do is I will draw the front view and then I will try to make press pull and try to do the remaining things. Okay, so let me go to AutoCAD. Let me open a new file, ACAD ISO 3D. It is open now. I will fix the limits, LIMITS limits. Let me type it. The moment I type it, initial limits I will take as 0, enter 0 0, and then the next limits I will take as 100 and 100, enter, then Z, enter, E, enter. Okay, so now I have got the window in which the limits are already defined and I can comfortably draw. Now let me go here. If I am going in the front view like this, see, I have to look like this, that is here. See, what is the length here? This is 40 and this length is how much? This length is another 40, and totally I have got 80 here, and then the height is how much? 50. That's fine. Okay, so I have got enough space with me now. So what I will do, let me draw this one first. Okay, let me draw this one. So here let me see whether I have all the dimensions with me or not. Let me just check it out over here. Let me see here. See, he has not given me the arc over here. Okay, he has not given me the arc. I will take this arc as well as this arc, fill it as same. Okay, so first let me draw it. How much is the size? From here to here it is 40 and then the height is 50. Let me just do that one. So if I will go to the front view, I will just go and, I have to select what? It is not in draft, it is in drafting, and let me change it actually. I want in 3D modeling. I will just go change it back to 3D modeling. So I have everything here. So I will just go and change to front view. Where is front view? Front view is here. Okay, so now I will change the color also. I will just go remove from realistic. I will go back to 2D wireframe. I will fix ortho. I will on it. Now I will just go here, take a line command, draw the line from here to here. It is how much? 40, enter, come down, 50, enter, go like this, 40, enter, then I will just go and close C. Okay, now what else is there in this one? In this one I have got this distance as 20 and this distance as 20, any middle line. Okay, from the midpoint I have to come down here at a distance of 20. I have to draw a circle of diameter 20. Let me just go back here, draw a line from the midpoint, come down how much? 20, enter, then escape. Now I have to draw a circle of diameter. Take diameter from the end point here. How much I need? 20. Okay. Now let me delete this line. I don't need this line. I will just delete it. So now, what else is there now? Now I have to draw this. I have to draw this one. Where exactly it is located? It is located, it seems, exactly in the middle. What is the thickness? The thickness is 10. Okay, so what I will do is I will draw a line from the midpoint. I will draw a line of how much? 40, enter, escape. Now I will offset this line, offset through, select the line. I will go up how much? 5, enter, then again click here, come down, 5, enter. Okay. Now I will remove the center line. I don't need the center line. Now this thickness is how much? The thickness is 10. Okay. So now I will just go here from this end to this end. I will close it. So I have this thickness with me now. How much is this length? This is 40. Correct. From where? From this point to this point it is 40, and then this 10 is also defined. Right. So now what shall I do now? I have to make a fillet over here. Let me do it later. Now let me just make southeast view. Let me project it now. Let me go and make it southeast isometric view. See, here it is there. Now what should I do now? Now just see here, I will go back to the picture. Now see here, I have like this. So what I will do is, this thickness is how much? This thickness is 20. He is showing me here. This thickness is 20. I will project 10 in the front and 10 on the back side. Okay. So I will just go back here. I will just say press pull. Select this one. Go back like this. I will project how much? 10. Enter. Then again same thing. Come like this. 10. Enter. Okay, see here now what has happened. I have selected it in such a way that from the middle 10 this side and 10 that side. Now let's go back here and see what is this width. This width is nothing but, see here, this arc radius is how much? 20. Means from this point to this point it is 40. So from the middle I will draw, press pull 20 that side and 20 this side. Okay, so I will again select this one, go this side. How much I have to do? 20. Enter. Same thing I will take here and come like this. 20. Enter. Now escape. Okay. Now let me change from 2D wireframe to realistic. Now see, I have something like this. So what I will do, first and foremost thing, I will do union. Just join them, solid union. Make this one, select this and this. Enter. So it became a single piece now. I will just move it out so that you have, let me just get it out. This center piece, let me get rid of this one. Enter. Z enter, E enter, zoom extends. So now I have this one. Now you see here. Now what I need to do, let me go back here. Let me go back to this picture. So this arc is how much? This circle is 20, is it not? So I will make a fillet of R20. Now see here what I will do now. I will just go to fillet. I will say multiple fillet. Now I am selecting radius. See in the bottom what I am doing? I am clicking on radius. How much is the radius? I will say 20. Enter. Now I will go and select this line. I will select this line. Enter. Enter. See, it's already done. Since I selected multiple, still I have got the icon there. Command is there. I will select this. Enter. Enter. See, it's already done now. So even I will go for this. This one also, click here. Enter. Enter. See there? I have done it. Now I need to do for the bottom one, is it? And I don't see it. So what I will do is, I will just go here to this orbit command. Click on this. Left click your mouse and turn a little bit like this. Okay. Now escape. When you escape, you are escaping out of orbit command, but your fillet command is still there. Just click on this line. It became blue. Enter. Enter. See there? Everything is done now. Beautifully it is done now. Okay. Now escape. Now everything is done. So what I will do now, I will just again go back. I will make southeast isometric. See there? It is showing me nicely. So what else is there? I selected this one as 20 because he did not give me actually. I should have selected as, so I selected it as 20. Okay, Shama? Now let me go here. Now here also there is a fillet here. When in the fillet, when he is giving, it is coming and touching this point. This point is what? This point is the end of this circle. What is the diameter of the circle? The diameter of the circle is 20. Means this distance is how much? From here to here, radius is 10. 10 plus this is 10. So it is 20, 20, 40 actually. So I should have a fillet of radius 10. Okay. So now let me go back. Go back here. First let me type fillet. Now I will select multiple. Then I will take radius. I will type it as 10. Enter. Which one? This line. Enter. Enter. See there? It's already done. Now again select orbit command. Turn it up like this. Escape. Still you are there in the fillet command. Go near this line. Click on this. Enter. Enter. See there? Beautifully it did it. Now escape. Again go back to your southeast isometric view. Beautifully it is done. Now what I need to do? I need to make a hole over here. What is the diameter of the hole? 5, 20. Okay, so what I will do is I will just go here. I will draw a circle of radius. So from where? Sorry, first I have to select the face. Let me select the face. Go here, select the face. Which is the face? This is the face. Select and enter. Okay. Now it's already there, XY. Now circle from where? So I need the center. Yeah, see, if center is not there, just go here in OSNAP, mark center. Yeah, center is marked. So I should find it. Yeah, I find it here. See that? Click here. How much is the dimension? 20. Okay. Now just go to press pull. Click on this, just go down. Done. Finish. Your drawing is ready. Completely ready now. See here. See? Everything is done beautifully. Okay. You want to change the color, you can change the color. See? If you want to have a different color, see there? You can even select the color for this. Different colors you can have. Now what is the next job? Next job is to go to the layout view and do the dimension. Go to the layout view. You have this drawing, just select rubber, delete everything, enter. Now go here, change the angle of projection, go to third angle, say OK, select the base. From model view you bring here, click here, enter, go up, click, come here, click, go here, click, enter. Everything is done. Now you, because there is enough space, we can just go increase the scale. How much shall I make the scale? I can make it as 2:1. It is too big. Okay. Now I will just undo it. I will again click it. I will go make the scale as how much? Custom itself I will take. It's not taking. Let me take it as 1:1 only. Let me keep. Okay. Close this. So everything is there with you now. Escape. So what is the next job? Next job is to make the annotation. Just go to annotation. First change the color. Select whatever you want. Modify. For lines, change the color to magenta, and text make it blue. Okay, fine, done. Now what is the next job? Select from where? From here to here. How much is this distance? 40. Okay, enter. Now I will go for continuous dimension. It will automatically catch. I will just take it here. See, this is also 40. What else is there now? Just select the diameter. Diameter of this hole is how much? 20. Then for this also 20. And what else is there? From this point to this point it is 20. From here to here it is, we did not show that, he has shown the radius. Let me take radius itself, R20. Similarly, he did not show, but let's put it here, R20. What else is there now? You have fillet radius. Just click on this one, it will automatically take R10. What is the height? Height between this point and this point, this is how much? 50. Do we have any other thing to mark? Yes, there is one more thing to mark, that is from here to here, just mark it. And even on this side, in your drawing he has not shown, but you show, at least there should be some uniformity. Show it here. Okay, and then I have the thickness of this one also. Just mark the thickness, give here, from here to here also give some thickness. Okay, Shabab? Now everything is there, everything is done for you now. See here, almost all dimensions we have marked. Fillet, I think everything is ready now. Oh yeah, I need this dimension. From where? From the center to this point. How much is this? He gives this to me as 20, is it not? This is very important. Okay, this is 20, and then the other one is obviously exactly in the middle, so I did not bother to write it. See, this is also 20. Okay, 2020 I have got, that is the center of the circle. Everything is done. Now you have to draw the border and then you have to write the title block, everything. Thank you very much for watching this video.